Hey everyone, Chris Room with the Ruhm-Insurance Agency. And today's Medicare Minute, I'm going to show you how to apply for Medicare Part B if you are not taking Social Security when you turn 65. If you are, you will automatically be sent your Medicare beneficiary card. However, if you're not, you can come to chrisruhm.com. That's CHRISRUHM.com. Then click on my Medicare page, and you'll just scroll down to get your Medicare card. From here, you will scroll down to apply for Medicare only, and you'll just agree to this authorization here, and you'll click next. From here, you will start your new application, or if you've already got one started, you can return to your saved application. We'll click start, and then all you have to do is I'm applying for myself. Do you have a My Social Security account? Yes or no. If you do, it will take you to your Social Security account to sign in. If you don't, it will help you create one. It's really that simple. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Once you have applied for your Medicare card and you received it, that's the time when you can start really looking at plans. I can help you with all types of Medicare plans. If you come to chrisroom.com, the get a quote page, you can scroll down to my Medicare section 4 and you can fill out the appropriate form, and I'll be happy to give you a quote if you would like my assistance. Hope this was helpful. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and I'd be happy to help. Thanks.